you know.
Oh, cool. We're on like a land bridge
do
here.
the thing you're afraid to do because the number 13 is there, or whatever it may be. And then nothing bad
Caution,
happens.
otters.
Train the brain at a sort of unconscious
Wait,
level.
did it really
Then
say
there's
that?
a
Yeah.
down
Hell yeah.
where you can.
Hell yeah, Johnny. That's fantastic.
Pass a wee stone bothy shed
Okay, check.
on your right with a field to your left.
Okay, check.
Ignore the track immediately before this as it's too steep. Ignore that.
Okay, ignoring that.
Take the right to Shagcroft. Did we already pass
Nope,
Shag?
Shagcroft is right here.
Okay, yep, take the right. Follow the farm track uphill for about a quarter mile.
A quarter mile. All right.
It is steep, but we do it in ordinary cars. Just take it slow and in first gear. There.
We're getting high, Jenny. Woo.
Where the track splits, turn left and follow the track to the double gates at the end. You have arrived. Please use the gate on the right. It opens outwards and turn right to the park up besides the lodge.
All right.
So use the gate on the right.
And they said it opens up outward.
Opens outward.
Okay, do you want to go open that? Sure. Yeah, that looks like you just pull that and just swing it out.
Oh, my door was just open.
All right, and they said this is just us on the right here?
Yeah.
All righty. Lock it up behind us, Jenny. Ugh. Pretty cool, Jenny. Good job, Jenny. Apples.
Waffles.
Nice find, Jenny.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Great. Just ruined my video. Jenny with the cheese boards. Should I shake it?
No.
I'm just gonna do it. Oh yeah, it's coming. Hey! Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
Woo! What have you